Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm Syakir Adam. This is my team members, Aiman, Hafiy, Azhari, Jahurlang, Zakwan, Hazim and Asiimwe. We are from group 20. Our suggested program is UTM Badminton Tournament. The main objective of this tournament is to create the social platform among the participants and the crew member. Also, this program is the platform for UTM students to show their potential in badminton. And then 60% of our profit earned from this activity are donated to Pertubuhan Pembangunan Orang Buta Malaysia, PPOBM. There are 4 categories in this tournament. First is men single, men double, women single and women double. The next is program overview. This program will be held in 26 June 2021 at UTM Sport Hall 1. The participant is 64% and the budget for this program is 5,400 and the organizer of the tournament is UTM Badminton Club. This is the executive committee member. The director is Syakir Adam and Aiman Hafiy as vice director, Azhari Jahurlang as treasurer, Zakwan Hazim is secretary and Asiimwe is vice secretary. Next, this is committee and job scope. First team we have is registration team. This team will prepare the competition form and record the attendance. Next, we have competition. Competition team role is to explain about the rule and the format for the tournament and prepare the match schedule. And then the multimedia. Multimedia will record and take the photo during the tournament and also update the program to the media platform. Next is technical. Technical team must ensuring the safety of the venue and also ensuring all equipment are ready. Next is sponsor. Sponsor team must find the sponsor and also prepare the letter to the sponsor. And lastly, the team of price and food. Price and food will estimate the budget for the price and prepare for the food.
Hello, my name is Asiimwe. What are graduate attributes? First of all, these are qualities, skills and understandings students should develop during their time in the university and qualities that prepare graduates for the future. Our proposed program, the purpose of this program is to improve on the graduate attributes as most students have problems in communication, leadership and team working skills. And therefore we think it's important to include these elements of graduate attribute skills in the core curriculum for each field of study. Firstly, we have the leadership skills, ability to challenge each other, which allows you to be aware of what you can and can't do. So with leadership, students are able to develop strategies and make decisions quickly and effective, which improves their leadership skills also in the game and also in their studies. Secondly, communication skills, ability to communicate easily with team members. So during this badminton tournament, we expect students to be able to communicate with their team members, which is also a good quality to have while at school. Thirdly, teamwork skills. This leads to communication between team members and working as a team as you can achieve a common goal. So basic skills are required in sports as well as in our studies. So it can boost confidence and hence students can come up with a common goal. Thinking skills, ability to make quick and good decisions. Coming back from the communication, these thinking skills can help students think fast in making decisions quickly, like when they're playing the tournament, you have to make a good decision whether to do this or that.
For this program, the targeted group are the students of University Technology Malaysia. For the estimated income, we estimated that we will get a total of 5,400 ringgit. Firstly, we will have some sponsorship from UTM Learning Service and Co-Curriculum Center, which we will request for an amount of 2,000 ringgit. So the net income we get is from the participation fees. The participation fees is around 25 ringgit per participant and we target for 64 participants, which is we will collect around 1,600 ringgit. And the next sponsorship that we will get is a sponsorship from Yonex. We achieve to get 1,800 ringgit for the sponsorship. So the total is 5,400 ringgit. So we will continue to the estimated spending and cost. So for the first spending and cost, we will spend on food and drinks. We will spend around 435 ringgit for the whole program. For the second one, the badminton hall rent, which will be held for one day, is total around 480 ringgit. The next one is the shuttlecock which is around 7 ringgit per unit, and we will use around 10 unit, which is around 700 ringgit. And the next spending and cost will be put on prize and consolation, which is for the first prize we will spend around 520 ringgit, the second prize 420 ringgit, and the third prize is 320 ringgit. And the next spending will be spent on participant appreciation certificate, which is for the participant and secretariat will be spent around 120 ringgit and 36 ringgit. And the next spending is for the souvenirs, for the VIP, CCSL representative and PPOBM representative, which is around 250 ringgit. And we will spend also for the media and advertisement, which is around 500 ringgit. So we will also allocate an emergency fund, which is around 200 ringgit for any unexpectable thing that happen. So the total cost and spending is around 3,989 ringgit. So we will continue to the what we will be doing with our profit. So this program and club management will only take 40% from off all the profit for this program and give the other 60% to Pertubuhan Pembangunan Orang Buta Malaysia, PPOBM, which is the PPOBM will get around 846 ringgit 60 cent. So the total gross profit from this program is estimated around 1,411 ringgit, and 60% from the profit, which is 846 ringgit and 60 cents, will be give to the Pertubuhan Pembangunan Orang Buta Malaysia, PPOBM.
Now, for the program objectives. First, this program is to create a platform for social interaction and to strengthen the teamwork among the UTM students. This program also create the platform for UTM students to show their potential in badminton. Also, this program is to give awareness to UTM students on contributing to the nation for the PPOBM, which is Pertubuhan Pembangunan Orang Buta Malaysia. Lastly, this program is to foster competitiveness quality between UTM students. Now let's see on the tentative. So this event, it uses 6 courts for the entire event, and we have calculated for 30 minutes per game. So for time, 8 AM to 9:15 AM. The activity will be pledges, registration, opening ceremony by the VIPs, and the warming up session. And after the activity at 9:15 AM to 1:15 PM, there will be a round of 16 for single game of both category, which is men and women category. There will also be quarterfinal for double game of men and women category. And the attributes that will gain is teamworking, leadership, communication, and adaptability. So then the players will have to break for 45 minutes until 2 PM, and after 2 PM the game will continue with quarterfinal for single game of men and women category, and also semi-final for double game of men and women category. And then at 3 PM to 3:30 PM the game will continue for semi-final for single game of men and women category. Then the players will have to get break for 30 minutes and proceed at 4 PM to 4:30 PM for the final game of single and double for both category, men and women category. And then after 4:30, which calculated to be at 4:45 PM to 6 PM, there will be closing ceremony, winner celebration, and end of the event. That's all for the tentative.
Okay, my name is Aiman Hafiy bin Azmi. Now I'll proceed with survey and response. So 18 respondents have participated in this survey. So 55.6% is the male respondent and 44.4% is the female respondent. For the next question, in your opinion, what do you think that a UTM student lacks in graduate attributes? For this question, they need to choose 3. For the top pick, about 15 over 18 respondent has chosen these graduate attributes, which is leadership and teamworking skills. For the second graduate attributes that have been chosen by the respondent is communication skills, which is 12 over 18 respondents have chosen these graduate attributes. And lastly is thinking skills, which is 9 over 18 respondents have chosen these graduate attributes. Okay, next question. Do you agree that our proposed program can enhance those graduate attributes that you lack of? About 94.4% of the total respondent has given yes to this question. So they agree to this proposed program, which can enhance the graduate attributes in UTM students. Okay, for the next question is, how much does this program helps to enhance the graduate attributes that you lack of? So majority of the respondents has agreed with this question, where they believe that this program can help to enhance the graduate attributes that the UTM student lack of. For the next question is, are you satisfied with the proposed program? All of the respondents agree with this question, so that means they are satisfied with this program. And last but not least, do you have any comment or opinion regarding this program? So these are some of the comments from the respondent. In conclusion, from this UTM Badminton Tournament, UTM students will have some social interaction among themselves and can strengthen their teamwork. Moreover, participants can show their potential and hidden talent in badminton. This proposed program also will give the awareness towards the UTM students, as parts of the collected money will be donated to Pertubuhan Pembangunan Orang Buta Malaysia, which is PPOBM. This program also can foster competitiveness quality among UTM students. Last but not least, we believe that our proposed program will benefit the UTM students, as the students can enhance some of the graduate attributes such as leadership and team working skills, communication skills, thinking skills, and also adaptability skills. So that's all from us, Group 20. Thank you.